Part 1. There are two methods of gathering and using energy directly from the sun. First method is photovoltaic cells or solar cells. It converts light energy directly into electrical energy. They rely on the photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect is the ability of matter to emit electrons when a light is shown on it. Electric current is the flow of charges or electrons. These cells contain silicon, which is a semiconductor. Two different types of silicon are created. There is doping, and there is the N-type, which has spare electrons, and it is negatively charged, and the P-type, which is missing electrons, leaving holes in their places, which is positively charged. This is how the P-type is, and this is the N-type. Semiconductors N-type and P-type are brought together. Electrons and holes migrate across the junction. The depletion layer is formed. A PD is set up across the depletion layer. When light hits a solar cell, its energy breaks apart electron-hole pairs. The field will send the electron to the N side and the hole to the P side. If an external current path is used, electrons will flow through the path to the P side to unite with holes that the electric field sent there. They are not very efficient and are expensive. They are also require quiet bright sunlight to produce useful amounts of electrical energy. These factors limit the usefulness of photovoltaic cells to countries with a high number of sunshine hours. In the UK, they are only suitable for applications that need small amounts of energy, like calculators and low-power garden lighting.